Atlas felt when he got the cards he was dealt, it seems a pretty lousy hand.
And life is full of rotten deals. You got no clue just how it feels when everyone expects so much you can barely stand. And you wish that you were stronger, 'cause you know you're gonna fall.
And you can't hold on much longer.
You're gonna lose it all. Take the weight from my shoulder.
Take the weight
from my mind. From my mind.
It's strange, you're making me uneasy. We're both a little broken, but maybe you can see me.
It's weird, but a good weird. I know. I just can't let go. It's like, how much can you take before you break? Take the weight from my shoulder. From my shoulder. Take the weight from my mind.
From my mind, they say
wait till you're older. But there's so many things I've yet to find. Can't take the weight.
can't take the weight.
Can't take the weight. Can't take the weight.
Can't take the weight.
No. Take the weight. They say